Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So we are in St. Patrick's Day month, so I'm going with that theme. And today I have my, the Ipsy Charm Iconic Box. I don't really subscribe to this box. I did it because they had Gwen Stefani. And so I really wanted to try her products, so I had the Iconic box, and then I have one more box, and then I kind of canceled it because I said I really wanted to try her products. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you so much. I know a lot of people already posted this. I'm behind as always, so please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and hopefully this is good enough for that thumbs up. So it has, since this is like, I got this probably a couple years ago and canceled it because I was getting so much makeup, but I haven't gotten it since Ipsy and BoxyCharms kind of went together. So it comes with this magazine, and it's got a little bit, I guess, about Gwen Stefani and the different items that could be in your BoxyCharm. So let's get into it. So hopefully you guys are all having a great day. I know it's getting warmer, and I know a few parts of, I think it's California, they got a ton of snow. So sorry for you guys. So I don't really know what's in it. Some people got palettes, some people didn't, and it looks like I'm the one that didn't get a palette. So I'm fine with that. The first thing that I am opening, and I should probably find my glasses because I can't see. Glasses. So here you are. So the first thing that I'm opening is Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. And I am looking for a new eye cream. I'm finishing up my Juice Beauty one, so I am looking for a new one. So this is the Saturday Skin, and I'm guessing it's gonna be in a tube. And I went to go on the Ipsy website because I know that they post like what you got in your box and like I think the prices, but it wouldn't let me in, maybe because I canceled. So this is what the tube looks like. And I'm sure it's a really nice consistency. So I will be trying that. And then we got by Sonage, which we do get in a lot of boxes, is the Saffron Energizing Vitamin Mask. So not sure, I've got so many masks. So this might go in a giveaway, it might go on Macari, not sure. So the next thing, which I know I'll probably keep, is by Charlotte Tilbury, and it is the Beautiful Skin Foundation. And if you watched any of my videos, I did treat myself to the Charlotte Tilbury like holiday box. And I'm actually wearing some of the products. I'm wearing the lip product. I'm wearing the blush palette, and actually the eye palette. So I was hoping that I would get this, and this is in the color Neutra. And so I'm gonna see if I can get it. It's really hard for me to find a good foundation. So I'm just gonna open it. I'm really excited about getting the foundation. I'm just gonna pump it up here. So do you guys have any plans for spring break? Do you have any plans for summer vacations? I know I've talked to a couple of you and you're doing cruises. Some of you are already on your cruises. So this is the color, and I'm just gonna swatch it in, and this goes on really nicely. So I'm really excited about this. So this is what it looks like. So I am definitely excited. And I think, oh my gosh, what was this box, like $60? And this foundation has to be $30 or $40. So I'm really excited about that. And then we have the, I took my glasses off already, but it looks like so the next thing is by First Aid Beauty, and it's the toner. And I love toner. I use it twice a day, and this is a great brand. So looking forward to using that. So far I'm really liking the box, even though it doesn't have a palette. But I don't see any of the products by Gwen Stefani. And then this is the Danessa Merrick's Yummy Skin Glow Serum. Now I'm not sure if I'm really into the glow serums. And let's see what color. This is the color Main Squeeze. That's the shade. And as you know, I do have trouble opening boxes. Big trouble opening boxes. So if I give this away, I don't want the box to be too damaged. And I'm trying to get, this is a tube. It's a beautiful tube. But I'm not sure if this is a product. So this, I said, will either go in a giveaway or it will go on Macari. And then we have a lipstick, and I'm assuming that's by Gwen, and it's a red, and I know she loves to wear her reds. I just can't get away with the red. But look at the packaging. That is super nice packaging. And wow. And I know there's a lot of red wearers out there. This just, I don't think that I could wear the red. Ooh, yeah. I don't think I could wear it, but I know a lot of you guys could wear this. So this will definitely go in a giveaway because I know a lot of you love your reds. And we got some more. This is the Warm Wishes stick. Is that bronze? And it is in the smallest writing ever. So the color is, I can't even read the color. Here's the color. So let's just see what color this is. I destroyed the box. Yes, I did. Wow. So I'm thinking this is a bronzer stick. I don't even know how it opens. I don't want to ruin it. I'm trying to pull it. I'm trying to twist it. I don't know. Oh, does it come out this side? Okay, I give up. I am going to need lessons. So if somebody could just let me know how this works. Oh wait, got it. Oh, I think I twisted it there. I can twist it down. So I'm thinking this is like a bronzer stick. I'm thinking it might be way too dark for me, or maybe you put it on and it doesn't come out as dark. But what a beautiful color. But for my lighter skin, not too sure. So if you have this or have this color, let me know how it goes, because I don't want to use it and waste it. But it's a really nice stick if it were 10 shades lighter. And then I think we have one more product, and this is J-Lo. Oh, it's a J-Lo body, and I wanted to try her stuff. I see it advertised, and it looks really good, but it's a little bit pricey. And this is the Firm and Flaunt Targeted Body Balm. And I'm not gonna open it. It's all like wrapped up, so I don't want to open it, but from the advertisements, it looks really, really creamy. And I am a body butter type of person. I use it all the time, and especially with it getting warmer here in Arizona, and you know, you're constantly drenching your body in some type of cream to keep it moist. So just to recap, we got the J.Lo body butter, which I'm happy about. We got the toner. We got the glow serum, which again, I probably won't use. And then we got the beautiful stick, but the color just looks a little dark. And the red lipstick, which I know I'm not gonna keep. And then this was my favorite, the Charlotte Tilbury, and the shade was Right On. And then we got the vitamin mask, and we got the eye serum, which I'm gonna use. So overall, I'm happy with the box. You know, I'm probably never gonna get a 10 for 10 in a box, but let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite comment is. Let me know if you are a red lipstick person. I know there's several of you out there. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.